How to record screen with OBS. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, install OBS Studio. Once you have downloaded and installed the program, make sure that you install the OBS according to your OS version. Here we are doing for the PC, so we are downloading from the Windows. If you are doing for the Mac or Linux, then simply choose your own options. Then open the program however you like. Icon, Start menu, Search. Upon opening, OBS should auto add a scene into the interface. But if it does not, simply click on the plus icon. You will find it within the box that reads Scenes on the bottom left corner of the screen. Now look next to the Scenes box and you should see the Sources box. Click the plus at the bottom left of the Sources box. A menu of options should appear. Click Display Capture. In the pop-up window, create a title and simply click OK. Now, in the next pop-up window, you will have options to select your display method and capture method and a checkbox to select whether you want to show your cursor on the recording. If you are using multiple monitors, be sure to click the down arrow and select the appropriate display from the drop-down menu. When you have finished, simply click on the OK. Now, click Settings in the bottom right of your screen. In the new window, click the output icon in the menu of the left. In the recording box, you need to choose a destination file under recording path. To do this, click Browse and select a destination. Once you have made all of your selections, click the Start Recording button on the OBS Studio Record screen, and it is the icon on the lower right side of your screen below Start Streaming. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.